Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at CryptoGains. We had a bit of a carnage yesterday with all major cryptocurrencies registering significant declines, upwards of 20% in some cases. And one of the explanations for the most recent drop in the price of Bitcoin were the comments of Janet Yellen calling the cryptocurrency extremely inefficient and furthermore discussing that mostly she sees it as a highly speculative asset that can be extremely volatile and cause potential worry and losses for investors. Now, whether this was the reason or not, the fact remains is that Bitcoin dropped to under 50,000. And if we take a look at the chart and some of the analysis that was conducted, the closest area of support now is around 45,300 to 48,400. Some of these levels were further breached, registering further declines in Bitcoin. So let's turn our attention to the 4-hour chart and see what the picture looks like at the moment. To me, as long as we trade over 48,000, there would be an opportunity for recovery upwards to 50,000 and then 52,200. However, if we break below 46,500, more declines to 44,000 and even to 41,000 are quite possible. What's interesting to observe is that the relative strength index dipped to under 30. And if we take a look at the recent past, we can see that whenever this happens, it's typically followed by a very significant recovery in the price of Bitcoin, like it happened earlier in this year when we had a decline from 40,000 to nearly 30,000. So such corrections in a volatile asset like Bitcoin are quite possible and very natural. So a wise long-term investor may see this as an excellent buying opportunity. Next, it's interesting to observe that despite the significant drop in Ethereum, crypto wallets holding at least one Ethereum in balance hit a monthly high according to data from Glassnode. So let's actually take a look at how this translates into the technical chart of Ethereum versus Tether. So looking at the 1-hour chart, we see this significant decline that happened over the last 24 hours. Currently, we're attempting to recover from a low of around 14,300. So as long as we trade below 1525, that's 1,525, I'm seeing opportunities for short positions with target at 1430. If we break under 1430, then we can register declines to as low as 1280. However, before initiating long positions, ideally I would wait for recovery over 1,580 before entering long positions with target at 1,700. If we zoom out a little bit on the 4-hour chart, we can also see that the relative strength index on the 4-hour chart is in oversold territory. I think this is a bit extreme. I think there is a likelihood that it will recover and the upward rally in Ethereum on a longer term basis would resume. The final two ideas from today are on Polkadot. First of all, here we're observing the 4-hour chart and we can see that there is a very robust resistance area around the 33 level, as well as reasonably robust support around 30. So if we break below 30, I would be anticipating more declines with a target at 27.7. However, if we clear the barrier at around 33, there could be opportunities for a long position with a target at 37.5. And finally, we're looking at Cardano. With Cardano, 0.98 used to be a very strong resistance area, so I would wait for it to be cleared before we can enter long positions with target at 1.1. However, if we trade under 0.94, I'm seeing opportunities for decline, therefore a short position with a target at 0.86. These are all the ideas for today. Keep learning with the video education section, the CryptoGains Market Insight subsection, and of course join the Crypto Signals Made Easy group for lots of insightful articles and trade ideas. Thanks for joining me today, trade wisely, and I will see you soon. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the Stormgain community. That way, you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.